Welcome back to the IS Companion. Today's lecture is on brainstorming in psychology, a creative technique used to generate ideas and solutions in both research and therapeutic settings. Brainstorming encourages divergent thinking, promotes creativity, and fosters collaborative problem solving. Understanding brainstorming. Brainstorming is a structured group technique designed to generate a large number of ideas quickly, without criticism or judgment. It leverages the power of collective thinking to explore possibilities and uncover innovative solutions. Key principles of brainstorming: 1. No criticism. Participants are encouraged to freely express ideas without fear of judgment. 2. Quantity over quality. The goal is to generate a large quantity of ideas, which can later be refined or combined. 3. Combination and improvement. Ideas can build upon one another, leading to novel and refined solutions. Steps in brainstorming: 1. Preparation. Define the problem or topic clearly. Select participants with diverse backgrounds and expertise. 2. Generation phase. Encourage participants to generate ideas spontaneously. Use techniques like mind mapping or free association to explore connections. 3. Recording ideas. Capture all ideas on a board, flip chart, or digital platform. Ensure clarity and visibility of all contributions. 4. Evaluation. Once ideas are generated, evaluate them based on relevance and feasibility. Group similar ideas and prioritize those with the most potential. 5. Action planning. Develop an action plan based on selected ideas. Assign responsibilities and establish timelines for implementation. Benefits of brainstorming: 1. Creativity enhancement stimulates innovative thinking and encourages out of the box solutions. 2. Team collaboration fosters a collaborative environment where diverse perspectives contribute to problem solving. 3. Engagement and motivation boosts participant engagement and motivation through active participation. Applications in psychology: 1. Therapeutic interventions. Brainstorming can be used in group therapy to explore coping strategies or problem solving skills. 2. Research design. Researchers can use brainstorming to generate hypotheses or refine study methodologies. 3. Program development. Useful in developing new interventions or improving existing psychological programs. Challenges of brainstorming: 1. Group dynamics. Dominance of certain participants or fear of judgment can stifle creativity. 2. Time intensive. Effective brainstorming requires adequate time for idea generation and evaluation. 3. Quality control. Ensuring all ideas are captured and evaluated objectively can be challenging. In conclusion, brainstorming is a powerful method in psychology for generating ideas, solving problems, and fostering innovation. By following structured steps and leveraging the diversity of participant perspectives, psychologists can harness the full potential of brainstorming to advance research, therapy, and program development in the field. Thank you for your attention. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/IScompanion.